The Maps app can now display topographic maps, showing you the contours of the height on the land that you're nearby or the land that you're exploring. Now at launch of iOS 18, this feature's only in the USA and Japan, but if it's anything to go by with other Maps features, it will be rolled out across the world fairly soon, we hope. As you can see here, I'm exploring Sequoia National Park, and as I zoom in, there's actually no setting I need to do to enable topographic maps, it's just there ready to go. The closer I get, the more lines you'll start to see, and you'll see actually the height on those contour lines as well, measured in feet. As I go towards the summit here, those numbers get higher because the land is obviously more elevated, and as I go down towards the river, it goes lower. This is the first time that we've actually been able to get a sense of height of the land in Apple Maps, and it's a really nice feature to have to see those contours as you're looking around and exploring. But there's actually another feature that I'm going to show you very quickly while we're here, and that is if I go onto the actual Sequoia National Park page, or indeed any national park in America, and scroll right down, there's a new section there for walking routes and hikes. Tapping onto here will show me some recommended routes from that particular area, and then going onto any one of those will show it on the map itself. I get a really nice overview at the bottom there of the length of the hike, the amount of time it will probably take me, and the elevation along the route as well. And of course if I zoom in, I can see that map with those contour lines that we just looked at a moment ago. These routes will give you turn-by-turn directions on your hike so you know where you're going, so you won't get lost at any time. But you can also create your own custom walking routes, even if you're not in the USA or Japan. There's a whole video on this, so please do check out my channel down below, go onto the Maps section and you'll find the video there. In fact, I'll probably link it in the description here as well to save you a click. If you want to see what else your iPhone is capable of, now you're updated to iOS 18, then please do check out the rest of my videos on my channel down below. I'll see you next time.